Hello fragrance fans, and welcome to today's video. So why is my box open? Inside this box is a new fragrance that I've been waiting on, but when the mail ran today, due to the size and the weight of the box, I just opened it up. I was planning on opening this on the camera for the video, but I thought, well, this isn't my fragrance. This is much too big of a box, much too heavy. I only ordered one fragrance, so let me see what this is. Well, to my surprise, when I opened it up, there were some items in here. I thought, that's nice. Nice polo bag. And then I was like, what is this? And so inside is my fragrance. Ralph's Club. Newest release by Ralph Lauren. And I have smelled this in a sample. So today's not a first impression. But I was like, what is this? Because I could tell that it wasn't just trash, that was put in here inside the box. And it is an, I don't know if I haven't opened it yet, but it's an Yves Saint Laurent gift bag. Let's see here. Get it off camera and I'll get it out of the package. I haven't even looked at it. I don't know. It looks like a garment bag. No, it is a, what does my wife call these things? It's kind of a, Lord, it's so big I can't even get it in the screen. It's just kind of a tote. That's what it is, a tote, a carry bag. I don't know if you can see that or not. Very large. Nice nylon black with leather handles. Yves Saint Laurent tote. So that will be a surprise gift for my wife. But this is what we are here to see and to look at. So it's Ralph's Club, the newest fragrance, as I said, from Ralph Lauren. So let's open it up. And like I said, I didn't purchase a sample. I actually ordered the sample from Ralph Lauren, and it came, if you've gotten the carded sample from them, either at a store or if you ordered it from their website like I did, you've got the sample. And as with most fragrances, here's the way I am, and I'm probably different. I get this mental image of the fragrance, and image is not the right word, but I don't know what the right word is for a smell. But I get this, how I think it's going to smell in my mind, and almost every time I've had hundreds of fragrances, and there's only been 5 to 10 that I loved at first smell. A lot of the ones that I love, some of my favorite fragrances, I did not even like them, I thought, the first time I smelled them. I like Guerlain fragrances. Guerlain Heritage, to me, is one of the greatest ever made. When I first smelled it, at first whiff, I thought, that smells like a grandma, and I put it in my drawer. There's nothing grandma about it. I don't know. It's just that I had in my mind what it was going to smell like. Guerlain Vetiver, first time I smelled it. I had a bottle of Tom Ford Grey Vetiver that I had bought at the airport in Seoul, South Korea, and I loved it. And I thought, I'm going to get another Vetiver fragrance. When first time I smelled it, I didn't like it. I put it away. Here's what I do. I put them in a drawer. I pull them out. 6 months later, I smell them, and I love them. This fragrance over here, Dolce & Gabbana Pour On. Didn't like it the first several times that I smelled it. And now it's growing on me. I actually like it now. I don't love it. But anyways, when I did first smell this, I liked it, didn't love it. had a mental image of what I thought it was going to smell like. It was a lot different, but I didn't dislike it. And so I thought, well, I think that's definitely going to grow on me. Here is the package in here. It is a textured box. I don't know what you'd call that design, but anyways, nice there. Got the RL stamp on that. Here's this side. Here's the back, ingredients, caution, UPC code, information there, batch code stamped on the bottom. You know the drill. Not going to be a long review, okay? QR code for this one, and all the companies are doing the QR codes now for the most part. That's inside the lid. Here's what I love about this fragrance. Beautiful bottle. Gorgeous bottle. It's a flask design. I'm not a drinker, so that doesn't mean anything to me, but I do like it. I think it looks very nice. The lid, of course, stays on. It's a flip over cap. This is the 100 ml bottle that I picked up. And, oh, I almost forgot the reason why I showed you the bag and all that. I bought this on eBay from Laguna Beach Surf. I looked at their ratings. They had done thousands of sales, had done nearly 800 this year, only one negative remark. Listen, if you can do that, you're a good seller, because I sell on eBay and people gripe and will leave you negative reviews. I haven't got a negative review yet from the one I'm fixing to tell you about, but I probably will. The guy got his sample. He said it arrived perfectly. He said it was well packaged. He appreciated it. He took the wrapping off of it, and when he went to take the lid off, he dropped it and spilt it. And he wanted me to send him another one, or he was going to leave a negative review. You know, and I'll probably send him another one. You know, I'll say probably, it's sitting here on my desk. I'm about to send it to him. But that's not my fault, you know. Anyway, so they're doing a good job, and I couldn't believe it. I went and read a bunch of their reviews today after I received the gifts, because I just thought, did I win? Was I the grand winner? And no, they put a gift in, it looked like, with every purchase. So Laguna Beach Surf, check them out on eBay. They sell fragrances, and had good prices, and then also excellent service. They take care of their customers and send them extra nice things. All right, so since I have already smelled it, let me give you a spray so you can see how it sprays here. All right, decent atomizer. I was going to set some Polo fragrances on the desk here. I've owned a lot. I don't have any right now, I don't believe. Let me think. I've had Safari, I've had Polo Green, the old version by Cosmere, the new version. Didn't have a Polo fragrance up there. I guess I've sold them all. Anyways, I really like this fragrance. I'm going to tell you what it smells like to me, though. What it smells like to me is a grown-up version of either Invictus Aqua 2016 or this fragrance right here, which also smells like Invictus Aqua 2016. It smells like a grown-up version of this. This is a very popular scent profile. The Invictus Aqua scent profile is very popular. But to me, this is just a little too youthful for my taste. This, in my opinion, is the same similar scent profile that this is from, the DNA. And of course, they're not related. It's not a clone, but this is a similar scent profile DNA as Invictus Aqua DNA, Mont Blanc Legend Spirit DNA. But it's more grown up. It's more spicy, it's more woody, it's more aromatic, It's less bubble gummy. There is that bubble gummy kind of nature there in the background. They smell very similar, but here's the deal. Here's what I think. If you like this, but it's a little bit too youthful for you, if it's a little too sweet, I think that you will really like this. So that is pretty much all the review I'm going to give you on it. It smells like this, only it's more grown up. It's a little more spicy, a little more woody, a little more aromatic. I would choose this over this every time. Okay, Ralph Lauren, Ralph's Club. You can purchase samples through me, Dillinger Designer Decants. We sell, right now, we're offering mainly 3 millimeter decants of a lot of different fragrances. I think I've got around 60 something listed right now on our eBay store. So check them out. They come very well wrapped. We always put the thread tape to keep from leakage. We'll wrap the cap so that the cap don't come off. Then we will shrink wrap it to just make sure that nothing comes apart. We put it in bubble wrap, send it out to you, get it to you quickly with tracking, and we have great prices. Almost everything we have is under $9. We do have some that go as high as 12 or 13, but check us out and check out Ralph's Club. I really like it.